Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to power clip an image into shape like you can see on your screen. I'm going to show you how to achieve this on PSCC and also on PixelLab. Without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. Now I have what I need to work with on PSCC already. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to duplicate this image, which is the background. You look at it, right? So go back, reveal it. So I'll click on this plus, then click on duplicate. So now I have the image duplicated. I'm going to click on this red quote icon and I'll click on select pixels. Then I will click on merge down and I will click on cut. Right, so now I'll click on the image at the back, which is going to be the background color of the area, the quote icon, the area of the quote icon that we just cut out, right? So I'm going to click on it, then I'll click on select pixels. You can just import any image you want to serve as the background for the quote, right? So select pixels, go to here, come here and fill and stroke, click on color, then you can move this to select any color that you want, right? So you can select any color that you want. So this just show you how to achieve this basically, right? So I think this color picker works, right? It works. So if you want to select that, you can select that and you can use this. You see what I'm moving to make it reduce the opacity. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select something quite different from the actual one. So I'm just going to click OK. So you have that now. So the next thing you want to do is to reveal this image, right? You want to reveal this image, then click here, go to transform and undo that. The image is not selected, so please make sure the image is selected. Click here, go to transform, then come over to this place and increase the image like this, right? Then click on the image, take it to back. You have that now, and you can decide to take the image a little bit up. Let's see what it gives us, and take that like this, right? So if it's moving too fast, you can use this pixel notch to just move it a little as you want. Then you click on OK. Then now you're going to duplicate this image. One thing I like about PSCC, unlike PixelLab, once you duplicate something, it appears on the same area, right? So I'm just going to duplicate this and boom, it's on the same area. So I'll take the duplicated copy up, right? So now my brush tool is active. You can see my brush tool is active, so you can just select yours from here, select the brush tool and make sure yours is active. So I'm just going to move my hand around the overlapping area, go like this, just clean this area like this, clean this area like this, and clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. Alright, so when you're using softwares like especially Photoshop, it's faster. You just use your power clip and you still have to erase the part that is not needed, because yeah. So I think I'm done. So I'm just going to click on cut and boom, that is how it is achieved and done on PSCC. It is much easier on PSCC than PixelLab. You don't agree? Let's find out. So we are here on we're on PixelLab and we want to do the same thing we did on PSCC. So I'm just going to hide first the not this, hide this. and I'm going to just enlarge this, increase the size so that it can fill up the space, and okay, so a little bit will do, and we are good. So I'm just going to lock this for now, and I'm going to review this quote shape, and I'm just going to crop it like this, and I'm just going to rotate it. So now this doesn't work like the PSCC, of course. So now I have to improvise. I'm going to select green color, and I'm going to merge it with, some of you already know what I'm about to do. I'm just going to merge it with this. Now this image is not imported as the background image for this design, so I'm going to go to erase color, select green. Oh, I rotated this thing the wrong way. Nonetheless, I'm still going to show you what I want to show you. So now, since the color is erased, I have to increase this tolerance so that the green can be out. You understand? You see, tolerance is increased to 50, and I may just smooth edges by 1 so it can be out perfectly. So what I'm going to do with this shape now, just to show you, I did the rotation wrongly here, so I'm just going to turn this like this. I'm going to rotate this to show you my point. There's no need on doing what I've done already, right? So the point is just to show you how to achieve this. So now I have this, and now the next thing is going to be the image, which I'm going to bring to front now, and I will just increase the image like this and take it to back, and bring it here like this. And so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click here to change the background of the design itself. Then I'll select the color I want. So let me select something like this for this. Then I will just copy my image, which is at the back. I will copy it and bring it here. So I will just use this relative position to just align this, or you can click here, the image at the back, then click here, then I click the up, the middle up, and the one at the bottom, the right. Then this image, I will do the same thing. I'll click this, it's the relative position, and click here. So at first it wasn't the relative position I clicked, it was just this normal position. So now what I'll do is that I'll move the two together. I'll click here and move the two together, right? So yep, do you get that now? So I'm just going to use my eyes to just, it's the head part I want, right? So depends on what part you want to erase. So you just want the image to be in, but the head is out, right? It gives some nice vibes like that. So I'm just going to click on the eraser part. That you have to make sure it's the image at the top you're erasing. I'll click on the eraser, increase it, then I will just erase all these parts. I'll erase all these parts, and I think erasing all these parts, and we are done. You can see that the image is, let me show you so that you get to, let me increase the brightness of this brightness, so you see, right? Let me reduce this. So you see the image is overlapping just the way it was on PSCC. So which do you think is easier, PSCC or PixelLab? Please leave a comment before leaving. If you are new to this YouTube channel, do well to subscribe, like the video, and share this video, please, so that it will get to as many designers using their smartphone to design. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.